Hey, have you heard about SharePoint Online?
Yes, I have. It's a powerful tool for managing information.
Definitely. Did you know that SharePoint Online enables organizations to store, organize, share, and access information from any device?
Yes, and it's a game changer for organizations looking to elevate the way they handle information.
I heard there's an online course on mastering SharePoint. Have you taken it?
No, but I've heard great things about it. It's taught by a certified Microsoft SharePoint expert and covers all the skills you need to use SharePoint to its fullest.
That sounds amazing. What kind of training does it offer?
It offers a series of bite-sized, expert-led courses that cover everything from creating and managing sites to contributing to and leveraging SharePoint's features.
Wow, that's comprehensive. I can see how mastering SharePoint Online can be a game changer for any organization.
Absolutely. It's a must-have skill for anyone looking to take their organization to the next level.